3-side sealing bag double-line vertical packing machine. This video shows how the double-line vertical packaging machine packs jelly. The left and right sides can be used for packaging products of different weights and sizes. When one side of the machine is out of service, the other side is not affected. This machine adopts double feed packing mechanism, so it can use to liquid pumps. The touchscreen can store a variety of packaging process parameters of different products. When replacing the product, it can be used at any time without resetting. The double-line vertical packaging machine can be used to pack liquid paste, for example jelly, oil, shampoo, honey, water, ketchup, sauce, juice, soy sauce, cream, jam, etc. Bag making and punching die in this machine are the forming processes of special shaped bags. The molding process and edge sealing process completed at the same time, there will be less size side leakage bag, or edge sealing is not strong and other problems. Irregular shape horizontal seal. By heating a metal cutter, sealing better packaging to prevent leakage, ensure tightness. This machine is applicable to the packaging of various special shaped bags, such as round corner bags, bottle bags, special needs of customers and so on. Finally, we can see that the weight of the packaged product is accurate. The 3-side sealing jelly packing machine in this video has been exported to Vietnam. Both sides have a pleasant cooperation, and the packaging machine given to our company has a good evaluation.